Hello loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel, not where I usually start a video. I am in my car looking, dishevelled to say the very least. It's half term, I've had a full-on day with the kids, out doing this, that, and then a bit of filming and haven't really stopped, but Clint is home this week. I thought, do you know what, I'm gonna have an evening B&M trip. Yeah, pretty much just grabbed my stuff and ran. So I have seen that all of the spring stuff is in and I'm very keen to go and have a look for myself and see what is new in this spring in B&M. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to take you with me, and everything that I pop in my trolley I will film on a separate haul, so make sure you subscribe and then you can see my haul where I will talk you through everything that I get. There are a few things that I'm hoping to pick up today, so fingers crossed I get lucky. To be honest, I'm just happy to be out at 6:25 with no kids. I don't care if I don't find anything in there, to be honest. Yeah, let's go in. Let's go see. First absolute win, starting on a high. I didn't have £1 for a trolley and someone had abandoned one out the front. I feel like that is a really good omen for this shopping trip. Okay, I don't actually need any cleaning sprays, to be honest, but they've got some lovely new flash scents in. I haven't seen this one, lavender and rosemary. Apple blossom, I've tried this one. I can vouch that that is beautiful. And wild berries as well. Also got loads of Decor ones, but they're always like, they always look so good, don't they? I think it's all the bright colours and everything. They always smell great. So yeah, I don't actually need one, but there's loads. I've just noticed this as well, which I'm not going to get because I use different like coffee pods, but I don't know if you've seen this. They have got 0-calorie salted caramel syrup from the Skinny Barista. 0 calories, salted caramel, flavour syrup and sweetener. Gluten-free, fat-free, 0 calorie. Like, that is $3.99. And that bottle is ginormous. Like, I thought syrup's normally quite expensive, isn't it? That seems so cheap. And 0 calorie as well. Thought I'd point that out for any coffee lovers. They've got a lot of chocolate egg selections. I've just popped some of these in my trolley, but there is, look at that, dime. They're new. Yeah, there's a lot. And bunnies as well. Not eggs, there's bunnies as well, little mini bunnies. Leo would really love those. Might get a little pack for Leo. Lots of little eggs. I just spotted this in the, where are we? I think we're in like the laundry section. They've got them in white as well. Oh, and grey. And I love it. And it's £6, but I really don't know what I would do with it. I'm just stood here like an idiot, staring at it, racking my brains, trying to think if there's anywhere that I can put this basket. But isn't it cute? I love it. And the storage is always amazing as per. Although I have spotted a few little new bits since I was last here. These are definitely new. Lovely glass bottle that says clean on it. That's lovely, isn't it? How much is that? £3. I think these might be new as well, you know. These sets of pump bottles. But yeah, it's always ample storage here. And I reckon these lovely ones might be new. They've got like a woven effect, which are very, very cute. What are they, $3.50? I haven't seen those before, but yeah. All your storage needs, as always. I also think there might be a few new bits in bathroom. I don't remember seeing these before. These cute little bath mats. Yeah, love those. Don't remember seeing those before. And a few other bits. That's a good little caddy for cleaning bits. Yeah, little bits like these little, this like white stuff. Definitely don't remember seeing that. £2, and how cute is that? No idea what you'd use it for, but love it. They've got such lovely lampshades in at the moment. This is the one I got in my last haul, which they also have in like a dark grey as well. If you have a lamp at home that is just looking a bit dated, don't splash out on a new lamp, just change the shade. I did it to my one in my hallway and it looks completely different. This one also. £10. And look, these ones are reduced. I think I might even have this one somewhere in my house. I can't even remember. There's definitely some new stuff in home as well. This is looking so gorgeous right now. Look at this. Look at that. That eucalyptus is really realistic as well, I would say. £7. Love all the colours that are here at the moment. Some really lovely things. Love that big jug down there. Love that as well. Some usual. You guys know I love an artichoke, but I have way too many. The best. Oh my gosh, guys, how cute is this? Little hanging lion. How much is he? £4. I've got a Leo, and I'm tempted by anything with a lion on it, but you know, he's 6 nearly, so I don't know if he'd want it. But how cute is that for a nursery? Lots of lovely baskets as well. I'm not really in need, sadly, but so many lovely ones at the moment. I particularly love this seagrass tray for £7. Unfortunately, my home is like bursting full of baskets, but so lovely. Love all these kitchen bits. What do they call it? It's like urbanist. Yeah, that's it. I love all of that dark stuff. There's not really anything that I'm in need of, but look at that little wooden turntable. £5. That's really cute, isn't it? You know, trying to think if I need it, but I probably don't. How cute is that? Little spoon rest. Oh, I don't know whether to get that or not, to be honest. But it's very, very cute. I really like that. Also love these for your sugar, your tea bags. How much are they? £3.50. Love. Also love this little storage pot. I would just use that as like a display. I wouldn't ever put anything in it. Those scalloped plates are still in and still beautiful. But, you know, the reality is I would need like 10 of them, and I would want them different sizes, so it's just not for me, but they are stunning, aren't they? All the garden bits are coming back, because obviously we're getting into spring, which is exciting. So all of these like artificial garden bits are coming back. Some really, really lovely colours. Also some like really cool garden lighting. I've just spotted these. I want something like this out the front of our house, so I'll have to speak to Clint, but that's a really good price, isn't it, for those? I'm not being funny, but I've just walked through the whole shop. And where's the Easter aisle? Why is everyone else getting all this cute Easter stuff? And all I found was that wreath. No, don't worry, I'm an idiot. I have found it. And there is a lot. I don't know what this is. Let's get one down. Steady. Steady. Oh, it's like a cute little display plate thing. I don't know what you'd put on it, but that's quite cute, isn't it? Also these. I might get one, but I've got a funny feeling that I've already got one at home. But I will just pop one in the trolley just in case, because it's only £4. But I do think I already have one of these. Never mind. And these are the ones that I keep seeing everywhere, but they've only got pink left, which is a shame, because I have 2 boys and they've only got pink, and I don't think he'll be too keen on it, to be honest with you. Yellow would have been much better. I guess I could get it for my niece, because it is very sweet. Just seen these up there. I don't know what they are. Excellent characters. Make your own characters. I think you get You get like little bits and bobs painting and stuff. Leo would love that. Definitely going to bag those. They've also got this egg garland. How cute is that? Definitely going to get that. All those different coloured eggs, but they're all like lovely pastel coloured ones on a little string. I don't know where I'll put it, but I love that. And any little dinosaur lovers out there, they got this dino decorations where you can make a little dinosaur display. They haven't got a photo of what you do, but I guess you put like the grass on it and all the leaves and bits and the eggs and the dinosaurs. That's cute, isn't it? Leo would really like that, but I've already got him something. But for any little dinosaur lovers, that's so sweet. I'm definitely getting these. This is a pack of 20 decorative eggs, but they're really lovely, like subtle pastel colours. Like normally they're like in your face bright colours, and these are really, really lovely. 20 for £6. So definitely going to get those. I'm not sure what I'd even do with these, to be honest, but they're way too cute to leave there. 10 little bunny treat bags. Maybe like when I give eggs and things to my niece and nephew and friends, I could put little things in here. I don't know, but for £2 they were too cute not to get.
What is that?
I never get to do that. Let me turn the engine off, sorry. Honestly, you know, I never ever get to do that, and that was like a liberating experience, walking around a shop on an evening on my own. I feel like such a tit because I was walking around looking for this blooming Easter stuff, spring stuff, and it was all right at the front of the shop. But yeah, you just feel like a wally because it was right at the front of the shop, and that's where the tills were, so I just looked like a complete lunatic, obviously, like filming everything, talking to myself. I am used to it by this point. Now it's been a few years, but yeah, you always do feel like a bit of a tit. But I got it. Guys, I got some really, really good bits, and bits that I didn't film necessarily as well. So there's like a few surprises for my haul, but I'm really looking forward to filming with that. And thank you for coming with me on my little late night trip. Late night, it's 7:15, but you know what I mean. I have been ordered to pick up a couple of pizzas on the way home, so I'm going to go to the kebabi on my way home and grab a couple of pizzas. Guys, thanks for coming with me. Don't forget to sub if you're new, and I will see you in my next video where I hopefully won't look as dishevelled, but I'll see you then.